Telugu, that's it. Hi everyone, this is Preeti this side and welcome back to my channel and welcome to another vlog. So it's a bit late though to start a week in my life, but it's Wednesday and yes, welcome to a week in my life. And I have a very small plans today. I'll just visit my friend's place about an assignment that has been given by college. It's a very interesting assignment though. I'll brief that about in a bit. And yeah, that's the plan for today. I don't know what will happen in the evening and all. And there is nothing great in the week, but I just wanted to vlog this week. I don't know what will happen, but let's focus today and let's see what happens. And we are not done with the edit, as you can see. And when I say we are not done with the edit, it also means is also not done with the edit. Are you not devastated?
I prefer not to speak.
No, please, are you not devastated? India wants to know. Statue.
Stop this. बंद कर दो.
Hi guys, so checking in the next day. After the editing portion yesterday, I couldn't vlog anything in the evening and in the night. We were so exhausted by all of that portion, so I just took rest the whole evening and as usual the night. Now checking in the next day. Today I don't have much things planned for me. For first, I have figured out my to-do list, and in that I have to attend classes first because I have classes till the afternoon. So today is a very hectic day because every Tuesdays and Thursdays I have a very huge things of classes, huge routine of classes. So I'll just attend the classes. Then I don't know what to do. I have to complete the sketch that I have been assigned to, and then I don't know. Let's see what the day has in store. So let's take you guys along.
Okay, so next Thursday will be our last class, where we will have some
Everyday morning routine.
Okay.
Hi guys, so checking in after half of the day because there was nothing special in my day. As I mentioned earlier also, I have full classes, and as you guys can see in the video, I was full with classes. So right now me and my mom are going for a small outing. We just planned it like literally randomly, but it will be a very cozy outing. We just have kept in mind we should not go into the gatherings anyway, so let's just take you guys along.
Of our paths, feelings part our ways, keeping us close but estranged now. Dreams holding us closer, meadows of our youth, 107 days, but recalling it backwards. Our dreams holding us closer.
So guys, calling it off for the day. As you can see, I'm back with my buns. I'm back home after a cozy and a very nice drive. See you guys next day. Hi guys, so checking in after 2 days. It's Sunday 25th of July. I skipped the 2 days in between because somewhere or the other I couldn't vlog. So today I woke up a little early today because some of the guests are coming in our house after like really long, after this second wave thing and all. So आज का plan यही है. Let's see what happens in the evening because I don't know what will happen. I have figured out the to-do list, so I really don't know what will happen in the evening. Till then, keep watching. Hi guys, so it's 3 in the afternoon and I'm standing in my balcony, and if the light is doesn't good, then really apologetic prior only. So for instance, the guest who was supposed to come today, they couldn't come today because of some of the other reason. So now I'm just gonna quickly complete my assignment and just submit it, because tomorrow is the last date and I haven't finished it because of innumerable reasons. I just don't want to give it right now. So let's just quickly go and finish it. Okay guys, so there is a very quick update. I am literally done with my assignment and I am so happy, and I hope I'll submit it on time tomorrow. And for the Sunday snacks, we have this amazing, tasty, delicious fish kebab. My mom basically makes these amazing, tasty dishes many times, like fewer times in a week, but very rare. But whenever she makes it, this is so good. I just can't explain in words. I just can't explain how amazingly amazing it is. So I just eat one for you guys and give a quick rating to it. Hi guys, so it's 26th of July, Monday, and I have a day full of works today after a really long time, and I'm very happy with that thing. So I figured out my to-do list also. I was actually looking through it, and so I thought of sharing it. I have to attend classes. Most of it is done, only one to go. Then I have to walk out. Then I have to practice my dance bowls for the dance exam that's coming this weekend. And fourth is I have to figure out the dresses for my exam. आज के लिए एटाई आछे. After that I really don't know what to do, and if possible I have to complete the sketch also. If possible then only I can complete, otherwise I'll figure that out tomorrow. So for today that's the plan, and really apologetic for this chipku thing because I have taken a quick shower and I have to dry my hair also. So this is the update for today, and let's see what happens and what not. I hope things goes good the whole day. So there is a change in plan about the day. Let me give you a disclaimer before I say anything, that my mom was in constant search with like places with great food and cheaper rates ever since the lockdown was taken up, like from previous year only. And here she found out a place named Momo Chitte, which is in Highland Park. They have two branches, I suppose. One is in Highland Park, right opposite of Metropolitan Mall or something. I don't know. I did not go there anytime soon. And another one is, I guess, at the side of bypass. As far as I have heard, I haven't been there yet. So I'm too excited, and me and my mom are going today. Papa couldn't go because of some of his work. So let's take you guys along. কাটাই যাচ্ছে না।
আঙুল দিয়ে একটাকে তুলে নে, আগে আঙুল দিয়ে তুলে নে,
তুলেই খেতে হবে। So ma, how is it?
awesome
কি ট্রাই করলে?
Awesome.
কি ট্রাই করলে?
পিৎজা মোমো।
আমারটা চিজ বাস্ট, আমারটা চিজ বাস্ট, এটাও তোমার থেকে বেটার ছিল।
এটাও ভালো, ওটাও ভালো।
না না, আমারটা বেটার। So this is my cheese burst momo. And this is Mama's pizza momo. So we are out and the food was awesome. Not food, the momo was awesome. We loved it. We like literally loved it.
Awesome.
অনেক দিনের ইচ্ছে ছিল. That is why we came. I will link their Facebook page in the description box. Please do visit if you are from Kolkata and especially from South Calcutta. You are there. Please visit because they have the best momo in town. I can bet it. They have the best momo. Every time I come home from an outing or from somewhere else, I make sure to clean my face perfectly with face wash and cleanse it right after that. Because, yes, obviously, for my skin problems, number one, and number two, to make the skin clear after all that makeup and just basic makeup. So I use Body Shop face wash and its cleanser. It's just perfect for my skin. So checking into the next day, it's Tuesday and it was like any other day, so I didn't vlog today because it was all the usual routine again and again going on. So but something which was very special for me and most of my friends was today one of my school teacher's birthday. So I used to read tuition also from her. So we celebrated her birthday in Google Meet again as the virtual world suggests. So it was a really emotional get together with her after like almost 1.5 years, and she was also very happy today as it's her birthday also. So yeah, that's all I did. And tomorrow is going to be special, so I won't reveal why. So tomorrow I have a few plans for myself and for my channel also. I can hint that also. So see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, checking into the next day. It's Wednesday 26th, 7th, 28th of July, and as I stated yesterday, today I have shot a video with my best friend which will be up in my channel very soon. I cannot reveal on which day, but it will be up very soon. Soon I edit my videos and all. So it was a really fun segment to catch up, and I hope you people will like the video that I've shot today. It's a very interesting video, and I am in her place today. Gonna spend the whole afternoon here and then we'll go. So yeah, that's the update. Exploiting my tripod.
Don't do this, bro.
Exploiting my tripod and how. So on my way back home, and I think that's it for my week in my life. It was a very happening week, but this week doesn't seem to happen like every week. So this is just a happening week in my life, and I hope you people like this video. And if you like this video, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and leave your views in the comment box. And please keep supporting. Stay safe and stay home everyone. See you in the next video.